Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete your site in WordPress account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in wordpress.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, click on this WordPress icon, which is at the left top hand side of your screen. Now you will see your site here. After that, under Actions tab, you will see 3 dots. Click on it. Now click on Settings button here. After that, scroll down to the bottom of this page and you will see Delete your site permanently option. Click on it and you will need to type the address of your site. Type the address in this field here and click on Delete Site button. So that is how you can delete your site in WordPress account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.